So today is the day that I need to clean a lot of the carpets, especially with little children and a baby. It gets pretty dirty, so I just want to show you how good the VAX carpet cleaner is. It's really amazing. And I also use an all-in-one carpet minder, and I add a little bit of ZOFLORA lavender just to make the carpet smell even more nicer. We love a bit of ZOFLORA. So I have one where you can just spray a bit of water just so you can get it right in the carpet, and it's pretty good. But my favourite one is this one, and it literally acts as the tiny little hoover. So yeah, when you're hoovering, it really gets in, especially with the mini brushes. Especially like if you can see there's a stain here and things like that. My daughter has lovely toilet problems at the moment, my little baby. So yeah, we know what it's like if you've had children. They can get a bit runny. So yeah, I'm going to show you how good it is and how quick it is to just clean off them. It was all plugged in. I really, really love this VAX cleaning hoover, and it really does the job. So let's get going. So you put it in, and then make sure it's in securely and twist it to the right. It should be locked in. Once that's clipped in, you need to lift up this part, and all you're going to do is add it and twist again to the right. So it's all secure. So the sitting room is free of baby poo stains and things. So next is my bedroom. It's just a little bit stained where maybe I've dropped tea and things like that. But yeah, the hoover just gets it straight out. I love it so much. I'm so chuffed with it, it's perfect, no more stains, I'm in love. So my baby's room is, who is just 10 months, it is so dirty, like so dirty in here. It's meant to look like this here, and if you look, next to it, the difference is a little bit, but this carpet cleaner will totally get this up. So cleaning the sofa, my daughter had her nappy off and decided to take a poo. So let me show you how amazing it is at literally getting rid of it all. It's honestly magic. I'm so happy with it. I love this hoover. Definitely think that everyone should have one.